It's about a foot-long kitchen knife. He was swinging it at someone. I'm armed security. I drew down on him.
You're under arrest at this point.
No, I'm not.
You can see a doctor at the jail.
No.
Yes.
No. I can't go there. I can't go there. Relax. Ow.
Relax.
Ow. You guys are hurting me.
We're not doing
Lucifer.
If you were moving so much.
Lucifer. Get him off. Lucifer. I can't go there.
LA City 911, operator 937.
I need police to First and Soto for a man with a knife.
Okay. What kind of knife?
An armed security guard reports a terrifying scene at the First and Soto transit station.
Is he at the...
He had to draw his weapon on a suspect swinging a massive knife.
Yeah, he's at First and Soto.
Which bank, sir?
Chase Bank.
Does he look black, white, Hispanic, Asian?
Sí, buenos días.
Buenos días.
Estoy reportando un hombre que anda con un cuchillo aquí, acaba de corretear una muchacha aquí en la Primera y la Soto, se metió al metro ahorita.
Okay, el hombre era hispano, asiático, moreno, blanco.
La verdad no sé, yo de lejos lo miré porque no quería ni cruzar la luz, pero ahorita yo voy a entrar al metro también y ahorita él se metió al metro.
Another caller describes the suspect chasing a young woman with a backpack into the subway tunnels. Police descend on the station and locate the man on a train.
Se ve todo de negro.
¿Cuántos años parece?
Se ve como joven.
¿Joven? Okay.
Anda con una mochila, joven, como joven se ve, ¿verdad? Ya me contestaron, con un joven se ve él, ¿verdad? Ajá, ya.
No knife, bro. There's no knife here. Hey, get out the
Oh my God. It's not a knife. She's starting with me.
Alright, just relax. Relax, alright?
He got an injury.
Hey, let's figure out what we got. Hold on. Okay. He has a large metal object in his backpack. Hey, can we talk to you? Put down the backpack.
The suspect denies having a knife, claiming it's just a metal object. He refuses to get off the train, leading to a tense standoff with officers who are weapons drawn.
No, we need someone up there with the victim. This is what we're gonna do. Now that he's off, hey, hold on. Just keep eyes on him. You guys can meet with the victim, Aldo. Look. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cross this way. If he starts to move, just let him go. We don't have a crime right now. If we can detain him.
We got guns out. No. You never go stand away. Please don't leave me on the
Hey, sir. Look.
Please don't leave me on the
Hey, cut him off right there.
No. Please. No.
That's what I was trying to avoid. Here, come in the train with me. Hey, sir. Hey.
The situation escalates. The suspect screams and clings to the train seats. Officers try to de-escalate, but he becomes increasingly erratic, demanding a doctor and a lawyer.
Can we talk to you? Look, you're not in any trouble.
I need you to stay calm right now.
Please. Hold on.
No.
Stand up.
I want to talk to FBI.
Stand up.
I want FBI and a doctor.
Sir, can you just
No, I
stand
want
up?
to see a doctor. PhD, I need to see a doctor.
Just make sure that
I want to see a doctor.
Verify
He
the
overrides you.
Hey,
I want to
can
see a
you get
doctor.
with Aldo and see if
I want to see a doctor.
He's not hurting nobody
No,
right now.
doctor's my lawyer. I want to see a
Okay.
doctor.
We just want to make sure you don't hurt yourself.
I want to see a doctor. Get my lawyer.
Can we go upstairs?
No, we're going to see a doctor.
Okay, can we go upstairs to see a doctor?
I said enough. I want to talk to my doctor.
Okay.
His demands shift rapidly. As officers move in to physically remove him, he changes his story about the weapon again.
No, it's not.
Say it again. Alright, let's go.
Okay?
Ready?
No! Relax. No! Stop! I'm trying to get good. No! I want to see my doctor. I'm not doing anything. No! Nothing on me.
That's it, you're good.
One of the officers
It's
one
a
additional charge, bro.
safety pin. No, it's a safety pin. Can you get off of me? Can you get off of me? They just... Can you stop?
No.
Stop.
Can you let me go?
No, we need to drop the train.
He claims the foot-long knife was actually a safety
Can you
pin.
let me go?
As the cuffs go on, panic sets in. He realizes he's going to jail and begins to fight.
Do nothing.
Let's take the elevator.
No! Lucifer, let me go!
Following the arrest, the officers escorted Harper out of the Metro rail station and subsequently transported him to a local hospital, where he was eventually treated and medically cleared for booking.
You're under arrest at this point.
No, I'm not!
You can see a doctor at the jail.
No!
Yes.
No! I can't go there! I can't go there! No! Ow!
Relax.
Ow! You guys are hurting me!
We're not doing
Lucifer!
We're just ordering so much.
Lucifer! Get him off! Lucifer! I can't go there! Lucifer!
The suspect fights with everything he has, screaming that he cannot go to jail. Officers are forced to drag him from the train to secure the scene.
Get him off of me! Lucifer! Get him off of me!
Listen, okay?
Get me out of this now! Let me go in there!
Cool.
You good?
Good, bro. You? All right. Thanks for the help, guys.